Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of October 16th through the 22nd. That is week 42, if I remember correctly. Yes, week 42 of 2023 in my Estelle B6 Daily Classic. For this week, I am using this kit. Sorry, my cat is being really annoying. I'm using this kit from Pretty Planner Printables. I believe it's called Black and Copper, if I remember correctly. But I liked the kind of like metallic but spooky vibes. Thought it was good for this kind of fall time period, but also this is going to be a really busy week for me, so I thought that that would be good to use here. I did pull out my Mean Show fine liners, which I'm going to use, and then I also pulled out this Crayola in this color called Copper Mine, and I thought that I could use this as well to help with my headers. So my plan is to use those two combined. So yeah, I think I'm going to do that, and then I will come back so that we can do all the interesting bits. Okay, here's where we're at so far. Some of it's a little sloppy, but I think it looks pretty cute, and I do like the kind of bold header look with the kind of more scripty look over here. Hopefully it'll look cute when everything is done. As usual with these Pretty Planner Printables kits, I'm just going to take this giant box here, and I'm going to use this as my sidebar, which is not really a sidebar anymore. Now it's like a center. Not really sure what to call it, but where I would usually put all my like functional weekly stuff, I'm just gonna put in this because I don't really strictly need all of that stuff. So this will work just fine. And then I'm actually going to use scissors to cut this off and hope for the best. I'm not sure why, it just seems easier, maybe. Than using my slice tool. Not perfect, but pretty close. I'm happy with it. We're gonna call that good. This does leave me with 9 full boxes. We'll see how I end up using all of them or not using all of them or whatever as the week goes on. But I think it'll be fine. What I might do is I might take this one and cut it up to be little dividers underneath on these days. We'll see how that goes. In the meantime, I'm just going to get started on the other stuff, and we're going to see how it goes. So Monday is going to be a very busy work day for me. We are at a conference. It's like the theme of this month. So that's what I'm going to be doing all day. I'm going to stick this guy in. And then I think I'm going to use one of these little checklists that come with it. And I'm going to stick that down up here so I can put in whatever I need to note there. And then I'm not sure what else is happening. I'm not even going to fill in something for a workout or anything like that because I don't know what's going to happen. It's going to be a busy day for sure. Moving on to Tuesday, it's the second day of the conference and also the day that I will be driving back home again. So I'm just going to stick in another one. I feel like this globe is good for a travel day. And then I'm going to stick in another one of these checklists. I will be dropping a colleague off at the airport, so I might need a box or something for that, but I'm not really sure, so I'm just going to not fill anything in right now, and we're going to call it good. Moving on to Wednesday, I kind of want to divide up these little city ones a bit. I think that'll be nice. So here is one of the city ones. And then I think that's all I'm gonna fill in right now because I really don't know what's happening. And then Thursday, stick in another one of these. And then I did pull out this Agenda 52 book. It's black and gold, which I know this is more copper focused than gold focused. But I feel like it's still fine and worth it to put in. So I am going to pull out maybe this little cake guy. It's my parents' anniversary, so I want to remember to text them or something. And then Friday, maybe I'll stick in this other city scene. Why not? There we go. That's all I know for that day. And then the weekend, I do have a weekend banner. So I'm gonna put that in. Like so. It's not perfectly straight, but it's fine. I think it'll be okay. And then I think I'm gonna stick in this one, maybe all the way out here. I don't usually stick my full boxes on the outside at this point, but I don't know. I'm just kind of feeling it. And then I'm gonna stick this one, I think, on Sunday. Where do I want it on Sunday? Maybe I'll put it all the way on the inside. There we go. And then I'm gonna leave all of this stuff to use at some point. I could, I suppose, drop in a couple of these because I already know I'm gonna need them. So this will just be for whatever the main list of tasks is that needs to be done. All right, there we go. Okay, so super bare bones for sure, but this is kind of where we're at right now for the week. So once I actually get stuff done and fill it all in, I will share the spreads that I can share that don't have work-related stuff on it. So stick around for just a second. All right, here are the finished spreads. Here's the weekly page. Weather really went with how the week went for me. And then here is the Saturday and Sunday page. My grandpa passed this week, so we were visiting family and doing funeral things and things that came after the funeral and all of that kind of stuff. And then a travel day to get home again. So that's all I really have to share today. It was a really tough week for sure, but it's here in my planner when I need to go back and process. So that's all I have for today. I know it's really short in this kind of summary, but it's really just using things from the kit as much as possible. I did just have a couple of checklists left over that I'm going to throw in my leftovers pile. But yeah, as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went down below. Hopefully it was a more positive week than mine. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.